Tracy Sews, Dayton, Ohio, with tips in under a minute. I'm going to talk really fast today. So I am doing a zipper repair in pants. So I got a couple tips for you for this. So you'll want to take the zipper out. Nobody likes to do this because it takes forever to take the zipper out. But remember, you can't make any mistakes when you're taking stuff apart. It's when you cut you commit. So take your time. Give yourself plenty of extra time. Take out the flap. Take out all the pieces. Take the zipper, set it aside. Test a new zipper before you put it in. Try and keep one pair of pants intact so you can see how everything goes back together again. This is going to be your directions and it's going to save you a lot of trouble. And really, they only take a few minutes to put in, and if you put it in wrong, it's no big deal. You just take it out and put it back. That happens to all of us. No matter how much experience you have, sometimes you still have to do things over again. It's always best. So that's it. Tracy Sews, Tracy McElfresh, Dayton, Ohio, Tracy's Sewing Studio. Check out my blog. Bye.